Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding by Umme. Start by warming 2 cups milk and 1/4 cup sugar in a saucepan until warm but not boiling, then whisk. Beat 2 eggs with 2 tablespoons cornstarch and slowly temper the eggs by adding a little hot milk while whisking. Return the mixture to low heat and stir constantly until it thickly coats a spoon, then remove and cool slightly before chilling. For easy flavor swaps, consider vanilla, chocolate, or fruit additions to your pudding base. Mix 1 teaspoon vanilla at the end for warm, familiar notes, or whisk 2 tablespoons cocoa into the dry ingredients for chocolate pudding. For fruit, cool the pudding fully before folding in 1/2 cup chopped berries or 2 tablespoons jam so the texture stays silky. You can also add a pinch of salt to enhance sweetness and depth. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help more people find these recipes. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth, which made me rethink saving and spending in a funny, clear way that pairs well with learning simple recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Serve pudding cold for the best mouthfeel and clean presentation after chilling at least 2 hours. Garnish with a dollop of whipped cream, a few toasted nuts, or a light dusting of cinnamon to add texture and contrast. For gatherings, portion pudding into small ramekins or glasses so guests can take individual servings, which keeps the texture consistent and makes plating effortless. Store leftovers covered in the fridge for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.